Preparations are good. Everyone's feeling very excited. Obviously it's been 9 years since we've played in a final here, so everyone is very excited. All the coverage, everything's been amazing, and yeah, it's good for people that can't get down. They get to watch it, broadcast it live, especially families and stuff that don't live here. All the girls were saying that they'll get to watch it as well, which will be great.
Táimid tanú go mór leis an Cluichí Ceannais na hÉireann, bhuamar Cluichí Ceannais na hÉireann sa 2018. Tásúla go mbeadh bua a gcuin ar an lé. Yeah, things are looking really well. We've really came together this year as a panel. We've a lot of young players, we've a lot of experienced players, so it's really nice to see us come together and I suppose click ahead of this All-Ireland final on Sunday.
Preparation is going really good. To be fair, we're just absolutely delighted that, we get to play on All-Ireland final day. Of course there's going to be nerves within the group and for myself even personally, but we're just going to try and enjoy every single minute. It doesn't come around often, so I think we have to embrace the moment. We've all the work done. It's about really just performing now and getting all our emotions out on the field, and just leave no stone unturned.
I definitely think it'll be a good cracker of a game. We've played each other twice this year, both two really close encounters and brilliant games. So I'd say it'll be a good spectacle for all. It's brilliant just that people can tune in. It's not as easy for everyone to get up to come to Croke Park on the day. So it's fantastic that people have that opportunity to just sit at home on the couch and watch the game. And obviously having the 3 games on as well. So from the junior to the senior, I think there'll be 3 brilliant games on Sunday to watch at home.
We're under no illusions it'll be a very tough game, but yeah, we'd be confident in ourselves and our own structure, and it's going to be another very tough test the next day again. It's been 30 years since Kerry won the Brendan Martin Cup, and that's a very long time down in Kerry when you look at the success that the men have had and the ladies have had before that. So, we're doing our best to write our own history and to win the Brendan Martin Cup for this group of players and the management who've been kind of together over the last 4 years or so.
You can feel nervous, you can feel excited, so I like to think of it as an excited frame, but just looking forward to getting together with the team again for training for the next couple of nights and fine-tuning any of those little tiny minors that you might be, but otherwise just grateful to be back in an All-Ireland final. Brilliant. The support of TG4 has always been immense, and getting the games out there, it's brilliant for the game, and we always know that the All-Ireland final are great spectacles between the junior, the intermediate and the senior, so we'll hopefully have that again on Sunday.